show us the UI and how to operate.
Sure. So this is Ubuntu running on a smartphone.
This is a Galaxy. It's a Nexus 4, right?
This is a Nexus 4. It's obviously a Google-based phone that's open that we can use to replace the embedded Android OS with our own OS for demonstrations. This is a welcome screen. This is a very personalized infographic that each user would see when they open the phone. It's indicating how Twitter is behaving on the phone, so it adapts and changes throughout the day. So it's a very unique, sort of personalized, nicely designed way in which the user can see how the phone changes throughout the day. There's no hard keys or soft keys, so we're using all four edges to allow navigation. On the left edge, I've got access to all of my favorite applications. So these are the applications that the user would always want to be able to use and develop quick access to. So the left edge is always there at any time for the user to access their most favorite applications. The home screen is structured to allow the user to access all the services that they want to access. So the design behind our UX is that everything is only one gesture away. So I can go to my applications, I can go to the address book. The address book is fully integrated with social networking services. So I can see exactly what the most recent engagement was or activity for each contact. The same with video content and music content as well. So the home screen is designed to provide the user with very fast access to all the services and content that they use. The top edge is to allow access to settings, so I can scroll across, get access to new networks. I've also got a very easy way in which I can quickly respond to messages. So if I get an alert that someone has texted me or a Facebook update, I can use the top edge to respond to that, and then I can go back to where I was before. So there's no cumbersome user experience associated with having to exit an application when I'm responding to a notification or an alert. So the top edge is always used to get fast access to services and messages. So the system itself is based on supporting HTML5 web applications and also native applications. So we support native applications to allow developers to deliver a very rich user experience and allow the application to perform better on the phone. And this is in conjunction with web applications so we support any number of web services that are written in HTML5. They will run on this phone. And we also provide native applications to effectively behave as if they're native. So the Facebook is a web application, but as you can see, it sits alongside any other application. So from a user point of view, there is no difference between the way web applications work and the way native applications work. So this is an example of a native application. So I go into the gallery. I use the bottom edge to access all the features that are relevant to the application.
Like a settings page.
Exactly, yeah. So I can scroll up and down. I've also got quite a cool view. I've also got a view in terms of how the content has been taken over time. I can scroll across. I can scroll across. I can scroll up and down. So it's a very nicely designed way in which we use an application which is quite fundamental to the phone. And as I said before, everything is only one gesture away. So I'm in a phone, I'm viewing my gallery, I get an alert message, I can respond to it, and I'm always back where I was before. I want to go home, I just find the applications that I want to use next. So it's very, very well designed in that user experience. And the right edge is to multitask. So by scrolling from the right edge, I'm scrolling through all the applications that are open. So everything is very, very smooth in terms of how it allows the user to navigate the system. And that's Ubuntu running on smartphones.